The gym is empty again. The diet is broken. That new year, new me feeling? Gone. If you feel like you've already failed 2026, I have a secret for you. You're not a failure. You're just using the wrong strategy. Most people treat January 1st like a magic wand, thinking motivation alone will carry them through 365 days of change. But motivation is a feeling. A strategy is a fact. The reason 92% of resolutions fail by February is because they are built on willpower. But willpower is a finite resource. It runs out after a long day at work or a bad night as sleep. To win 2026, we have to stop relying on how we feel and start relying on how we operate. We need a minimum viable routine. Something so small, it's impossible to fail, even on your worst days. Today, I'm giving you the 5-minute strategy to reset your year. Minute 1 is the biological reset. Every morning, you wake up in a state of dehydration and high cortisol. If the first thing you do is grab your phone, you are literally training your brain to be reactive, anxious, and distracted. Instead, drink 16 ounces of water before you touch a screen. This isn't just about health, it's a psychological win. It signals to your brain that you are the one in charge of your body's needs, not a social media algorithm. Minutes 2 through 4 are the decision killer. Burnout doesn't come from hard work. It comes from decision fatigue, the stress of having too many options and no clear path. To fix this, stop making long to-do lists. Identify the one single task that, if completed, makes today a success. Just one. By narrowing your focus, you eliminate the mental friction that causes procrastination. If you win this one task, you've won the day. Minute 5 is the identity shift. This is the core philosophy here at GrowthMinds Academy. You don't get what you want, you get who you are. Take 60 seconds to visualize yourself as a person who follows through. Remind yourself, I am a person who keeps promises to myself. This isn't manifesting, it's cognitive reframing. You are casting a vote for a new identity, one small habit at a time. You might think 5 minutes is too short to change your life. But remember the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, you are 37 times better by the end of the year. The hardest part of any journey is the first step. This 5-minute routine is the cheat code to get you moving. Once you have momentum, the rest of the day takes care of itself. Stop waiting for the feeling to come back. Start using a strategy that actually works. If you're ready to stop quitting and start building, comment reset below. Subscribe to GrowthMinds Academy for the systems that turn goals into reality. Let's make 2026 different.